To begin adding sections and pages to your module, click Open Menu on the navigation bar. The menu will open from the right-hand side of the screen. This can be positioned where you want, ensuring that it does not cover any part of the module that you are working on. The menu is split up into sections and pages. When you first open the menu, Section 1 is already created for you. To see an overview of your module structure, click the right arrow at the bottom of the menu. On the left-hand side of the menu, click Add Section to create a new section, then give it a name of your choice and click Save. To add a new page, on the right-hand side under your section title, click Add Page. Then type in your page name and click Save. You can then add as many pages to that section as you like. You can reorder the pages by dragging and dropping the page title to your desired location in the menu structure. Pages can be moved into other sections too. Simply drag and drop the page title over the section name. This will highlight the section in orange, allowing you to clearly see where the page is going to end up. Then click on the section title again to see the page appear in that section. To delete pages, click the trash icon next to the page name or section, then click Confirm.